Alright, fellow fly fishermen. Today it is insanely hot outside, it's like 33 degrees Celsius, but still I figured it would be a great day to try to catch the big trout I lost like 2 weeks ago. And yeah, I'd say wish me luck, let's get right into it. Stay tuned. Right over there is a small stream coming in from the side, and there the big trout was standing last time. And yeah, I'd say let's not waste any time, let's try to get that fish. And go on the hopper. But it's a small fish. Fighting pretty hard actually. I'm just gonna try to unhook her with the... Alright, there we go. Oh, that was a fish. But it was a small one. And now I'm stuck. Well, fly fishing this creek is not too easy. There we go. That was cool. The cast was awful, honestly, but still I got a nice little brown trout. Wow, if that fish isn't beautiful, I don't know what is. Alright, see you later. Well, I was tangled up, but that trout didn't care about that. There we go. Oh my goodness, that's a good fish. So this just wasn't as successful as I thought it would be. The big fish wasn't there or wasn't feeding, whatever. Maybe I also spooked him, but I honestly kept a lot of distance, so I don't think I spooked him. Well, I'm gonna come back another day and try to catch this big brown trout, because it was a really big one and I want to catch that one. Still, I caught a few small ones and missed that big one, which came up on the dry fly when it was tangled up. This just goes to show that you never know what's gonna happen when you go fishing. I'm going home now, it's getting pretty late. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for weekly fly fishing content. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if I should try to catch that fish another time or if I just should leave it. I don't think I will leave it though, even if some of you guys will comment that. I'm gonna get back to you with a new video next week, so take care, goodbye.